nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and today we are talking about how you can build your business credit fast within 90 days or less. I'm going to give you guys some starting steps and tips to make it happen. First and foremost, if you want to build business credit, you got to have a business, and you have to have a legal business, meaning you need to have an LLC, a S corp. You can also try this with nonprofits, but you have to have your business legally filed. You can't do this with a DBA. So once you get your LLC, you need to get a EIN number that is free on the IRS website, irs.gov. It is on the main screen for you to sign up and get that free EIN number. But you have to get it after you get your LLC name confirmed and approved. Step 3, you need to get a Duns number. A Duns number is also free on Duns Bradstreet website. Now, when it comes to the Duns number, that is something else that you also have to get once you have your LLC name confirmed and after you get your EIN number. The Duns number roughly takes about 7 to 10 business days for them to process everything. Sometimes they may have to give you a call to confirm your information, so just be on the lookout once you apply for your actual Duns number. Now that you have all that out the way, it's time to start building business credit. And the best thing for you to do is to build your business credit scores. Best account to add, NAV.com. NAV.com allows you to build business credit and generate a business credit score within the first 30 days. So when you go on NAV, you're going to get the Business Booster account. That is going to be the one that is $40 a month. For business credit, the highest score that you can have is 100. When you sign up for NAV, your Experian business credit score will go from anywhere to 75 and 80 just from you adding that one account, and your Duns Bradstreet and your Equifax scores will generate a little bit after. But you have to start building that business credit fast. The next thing you need to do is you need to add your tier 1 accounts. An example of that would be Uline. You have to go on there, sign up, because you have to add accounts that are going to report to all 3 of the business credit bureaus so you can build up those scores within 90 days. So we've gotten NAV out the way. We've legally set up your business. The next thing you need to do after you get that LLC is go and open you a business bank account. I personally suggest Chase or Bank of America because they have a lot of great options when it comes to business credit cards, business loans, and they work well with small businesses. But again, whoever you so choose to go with, let me know who y'all are banking with your business bank credit, with your business banks or credit unions. Comment below and let me know who you guys are banking with, and I'll let you know what I think about them. I'm more than happy to help. So open your business bank account. You want to start have some money flowing in that account. The more money you have flowing, the better odds you have of getting those business credit cards that you want. So if your business has not started generating income, I would suggest that you send, a certain amount of savings over to that account each month as you work and get a paycheck in, just to show that there is some type of revenue coming in, just until you actually start, building that momentum. The more money coming in, like I said, is the better chances of you getting approved for the business credit card that you want to have. So those are going to be your top steps on the 3 things that you can do to build your business credit now. Set up your business legally, LLC, EIN, Duns number, sign up for NAV.com. You want to build your tier 1. Tier 1 accounts are going to be Uline. When you sign up for Uline, you have to purchase something that is at least $100. You need to do this because that's the only way it's going to report as a net 30 account, which is the accounts that you use to actually build business credit. Now, essentially, you're really just doing it so that you can generate that business credit score. It's not something you necessarily have to do every single month, but it is important for you to do getting started. So you add Uline, you add NAV. That's going to build your tier 1. After you build tier 1, you can go on to tier 2, which is more so where the credit cards for your business come in at. So that's why it's important for you to add these accounts. They're both going to report within the first 45 days max. So add those, you go on to tier 2, wait 30 to 45 more days. So pretty much you'll be able to build out your business credit within 90 days, but you can't do it until you get started. First up, get your LLC. If you're not ready to get that, you need to put your savings plan in action so that we can make that happen for you. I want you to be able to build your business credit out. And as a bonus, I did a live business credit and funding class for you guys last month. And I have the replay available just for you in the link in my description below. In that class, I do a live screen share where I'm showing you, hey, you go on this website, this is how you fill out for your LLC. This is how you get your EIN. This is how you get your Duns number. And then from there, I did a PowerPoint. I'm giving y'all the PowerPoint so you can see what steps you need to take step by step. I gave you multiple accounts as far as you want to get credit cards for your business, you want to get business loans, who you can go to. Some people may require documents. I even gave you some accounts that do not require documents for you to get a loan. So it's important for you guys to jump on that business credit and funding replay. I promise you, you will not be disappointed because I am giving you step by step what you need to do. If you think what I give on YouTube is great, it is only better live in that business credit and funding replay. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I appreciate y'all's love and support so much. And comment below what business you want to start and how you want to take your business credit to the next level. And I'm more than happy to respond back on how I can help. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.